What's going on? My name is Devon, this is Ben, and you're watching this video because you need to know 5 ways that you can maximize your gas mileage today. Now, just a quick disclaimer, this list is in no particular order. This is just some helpful tips so you can get the most bang for your buck every time you fill up at the pump. Unevenly worn or old tires are not only unsafe, they're also robbing you of precious miles to the gallon you could be getting. So you want to make sure your tires are in good condition.
Pro tip, if you want to know if your tire is at the end of its useful life, check it with the head of a penny. If you can see the whole head, it's time to replace.
Unless you're building a track car or running crazy stands-out wheels, it's best to run the OEM recommended tire pressure. You can find this on the door seal, usually on the driver's side, and it looks something like this.
Make sure you regularly check your air filter. If it looks like mine, it's time to replace or clean.
I know it's time for me to get mine too. The next thing you want to do, you want to make sure your fuel system is in clean running order. A great way to do this is to get you a fuel system cleaner. Now there's a lot of different products out there. Our personal favorite is Seafoam. We've used this in numerous cars and it's always got a great result. The main reason why you want to do this is excess carbon buildup can and will rob you of power, which means your engine's working harder and not being as efficient, which means you're losing your gas mileage. Oil change intervals. You want to make sure you're on top of your oil change. A smoother running engine is going to be more efficient, which means in the long run you're getting better gas mileage. So make sure you're changing your oil change regularly. Now this last thing is going to be something that you probably know but you hate to admit it. I know I do. And that's watch your foot. We are the biggest inhibitor of getting good gas mileage to ourselves because we like to drive fast or brake excessively. And both of those things will rob you of gas mileage. So you want to make sure that you want to maximize your gas mileage, you're driving consistent. And you're not doing that too much because that's not going to get you your gas mileage, but it is going to put smiles on your face. And, you know, at the end of the day, that's what it's about. Anyway, that was 5 simple ways that you can go today and to help maximize your gas mileage. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more automotive awesomeness, and we'll see you guys next time. Remember to go out there and do something awesome. Peace. Recommend and address some things I'm sure some of you may leave some comments about down below. Yes, we did not touch completely on the tire issue. There is a lot of things that you can learn from looking at the wear pattern on your tires, but that's going to be saved for an entirely different video because it does go really in depth and it would just make this too long. This was meant to be a short, sweet video for those who don't know very much about cars to help them keep their cars up in good running order. So we didn't go really in depth on a few things like the tires, like the fuel system cleaners, you know, the different kinds out there, the different methods of cleaning your fuel system and all that stuff, because this is meant to be a entry-level beginner automotive tip. So that's why we didn't go into deep detail on a lot of the things. But if you guys would like to see more information on, say, tire wear, on, say, fuel system cleaners and the methods of cleaning that, along with your fuel filter and just other methods of cleaning, say, the air filter and all that stuff, we can make separate videos for that. Just let us know in the comments below. Thanks. Yeah, have a great day.
I wish it wasn't Sunday.